You probably sleeping on your bed, watching this video with $0 to your name. But in the next 7 minutes I'll show you brand new method you can use to make full-time income on YouTube without ever showing your face. I know it sounds crazy, but even 15-year-olds can make thousands with this new secret niche that's bringing millions and millions of views as we speak. This one channel made over $7,000 with only 32 shorts videos just by uploading these creepy AI ghost content. So right now these creepy otherworldly AI generated short videos are blowing up on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. I mean, just look at the views they're getting on YouTube alone. It's insane. And today, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to create these videos completely free using AI. Okay, enough talk, let's begin. First, we need those otherworldly creature images. And for that we need a killer prompt. Trust me, this was the hardest part. I mean, how do you even compete with images like these? So I did what anyone would do. Open ChatGPT, uploaded screenshots of their viral images, and wrote this prompt. Let's just say it was a struggle to get the right. Just look at my ChatGPT history. But don't worry, I've dropped all the prompts in the description so you don't have to go through the same struggle. Now let's create the image. We're going to use Leonardo AI because it's completely free and gives excellent results. Just open the site, click Image Generation, choose the cinematic style, and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, paste it here, and hit generate. Drum roll please. Wait, why the hell is it in black and white? Okay, maybe I should switch the style from cinematic to cinematic concept instead. Let's try that again. And once again, drum roll please. Now this looks like something truly otherworldly, exactly what we're going for. Now just repeat this process until you have 6 or 7 images, or more if you want a longer video. Now let's turn these images into a video. For that, we're gonna use Hailuo AI. It gives you 100 credits every day, and the results are honestly awesome. Just open the site, click on Create Video, upload your image right here, then type your prompt in this box. You don't need anything complicated. I'm just gonna go with moving slowly. Now hit generate and let the magic happen. It takes about 20 minutes, so grab a snack and be patient. Okay, it's done. Let's see what we've got. Okay, this is exactly what I was going for. Creepy, smooth, and just the right vibe. Now just repeat the same process for your other images. And trust me, once you stitch them together, it's gonna look insane. Now that we've got all our videos, let's bring them together in CapCut. Start by creating a new project and drop all your clips onto the timeline. First thing, hide the logo by slightly zooming in on each video. Then add a simple transition between the clips. I recommend a black fade and set the duration to around 0.3 seconds. Hit apply to all, and now the transition will be added between every clip automatically. Now we need some background music. If you already have a track in mind, go ahead and use it. Just make sure it's copyright free. But if you don't, no worries. Just head over to the YouTube audio library, filter by mood, and choose dark and angry. Scroll through and look for something that feels scary or kinda creepy, and download it. Now head back to CapCut and drop your track onto the timeline. You can lower the volume a bit if needed. It's optional. And finally, hit export. Let's check out the final result.
Nice.
And check out this other one I created. And just like that, you've got a creepy AI video that looks like it came straight out of a nightmare. But if you're serious about making money with AI, click on this video where I show you how to successfully run a full AI Instagram influencer page without ever showing your face.